When the body is broken by pain and the mind is clouded by suffering, how do we find the strength to keep going? Saint Padre Pio, who bore the wounds of Christ for 50 years, once said, "Suffering is a sign that God loves you much." Today, we are diving straight into the 3 spiritual secrets Padre Pio used to turn physical agony into divine strength. Point 1. Accept suffering as a divine gift. The first secret is a radical shift in perspective, viewing pain not as a punishment, but as a gift. Padre Pio believed that during times of illness, Jesus is closer to us than ever. He taught that suffering is the gold of the soul. It burns away our imperfections and purifies our spirit. Actionable insight. Instead of asking, "Why me?" try saying, "Lord, I offer this moment to you." By accepting the pain rather than fighting it, you take away its power to make you miserable. Point 2. The pray, hope, and don't worry rule. The second secret is his most famous maxim: pray, hope, and don't worry. Padre Pio knew that anxiety is more damaging to the soul than the physical pain itself. He insisted that worry is useless because God is in control. When your body is in pain, your mind tends to race with fear. Padre Pio's remedy was simple: replace that fear with the rosary. He called the rosary his weapon. In the silence of prayer, your focus shifts from your symptoms to God's sovereignty. Point 3. Uniting your pain with the cross. The third and deepest secret is redemptive suffering. Padre Pio didn't just endure pain, he united it with the sacrifice of Jesus on the cross. He believed that our personal suffering, when offered to God, can help save souls and bring healing to others. When you realize that your pain has a purpose, that it can be used for the good of the world, it ceases to be empty suffering. It becomes a mission. Conclusion. Physical pain is temporary, but the spiritual resilience you build through it lasts forever. Padre Pio's life proves that we are never more like Christ than when we are carrying our own cross with patience. As you go through your trial today, remember his words: "Have courage and do not fear the assaults of the devil." Remember this forever. It is a healthy sign if the devil roars and bellows around your will, as this shows that he is not within it. If this message gave you strength today, please share it with someone who is hurting. Stay blessed in your journey of faith.